one less than previous. This is also a special method. Do you remember? This method is applicable. This is a use for product of numbers made up of only nines. For example, 9, 99, 999, 9999, and so on. Sometimes the people say it is a magic. There is nothing like magic. Do you remember? Let us try how we are getting it. So we are using now ek union purvena. So we shall divide it into three different parts. Method is very simple. If you know it, you can study the people. For example, 5 in 9. 74 into 99. 876, 999. Or 804, 236 into 9999, 99. As many nines are there, those many digits are there. Method is diminishing by one less than previous. This is previous. Even if you write it in 9 by 5, it is same 5 by 9. So number which is not made up of 10 will be considered as previous one. One less, subtract 1 from here. So you can say 5 minus 1. How much it will be? 4. Subtract 4 from 9. So it is 4 and 5. You know 9 5s are 45. So what we do? We decrease 1 in the previous, and whatever you are getting, you subtract from this. Obviously, there are equal number of the digits, number of the nines and number of digits equal, so you don't need to go for subtraction, only you have to put the complement of 9. For example, here, 1 less is 73. We have to stop here. Subtract 7 from 9, we are getting 2. Subtract 3 from 9, it is 6. Very simple. This one. Subtract 1, you are getting 875. Subtract 8 from 9, you are getting 1. 7 from 9, you are getting 2. 5 from 9, it is 4. Same way here. Subtract 1, you are getting 80, 42, 35. Subtract each digit from 9, 8 and 1, 9, 9, 5, 4, 9, 2, 7, 9, 3, 6, 9, 5, 4, 9 is the answer. My friends, now try to understand this method and let us see. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 4, 6, 8, 7, 8, 5, 4. Multiply 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Big number. But it will not take time. It will not take half a minute at all. Only you decrease this by 1. And so you will say 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 4, 6, 8, 7, 8, 5, 3. That's all. Subtract each digit by 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6 is answer. Big answer. Very big answer, but it takes half a minute only. If you understand it, it is very simple. Well, then second one, number of the digit less than number of 9. This method is same like first one. Only the thing you make equal. For example, 42,999, 7546, 999999, and 1043,216, 99999. Here are 3 nines, here are 2 digits, place 0 before it. You can understand orally also. So it is 041. Now subtract each from 9, so it is 9, 5, 8 is the answer. You don't need to put 0. If you can understand there are 3 digits, here will be 0, you must remember there must be 9. So for example here, 246, you put 2 zeros. Subtract 1, it is 7545. This one. Do remember there are 2 zeros, we have not put it here. So first of all subtract 2 zeros, you are getting 2 nines. Subtract 7, it is 2, 4, 5 and 4 is the answer. If you remember it, you don't need to put 0, but in the beginning you should understand that 0 must be placed and then it can be removed. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. 2, 4, 6 and 7, 2 zeros, 1 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. We have removed 2 zeros, so 2 nines will be there. 1, 8, 0, 9, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 8 and 5, 4 is the answer. So this second, it's very simple, not so difficult. But third one you should remember. Number of the digit more than number of 9. In fact, remaining 2 are the same methods of this method, but only the change is, a very simple change is there. I shall show you how we are getting it. Let us see, for example, 34 into 9. 2 digits, 1 9. 1476, 999. 23546 into 999. So method is decrease 1, 33. Adjust this number 9 and subtract this 33. Do remember what you need? You decrease 1, adjust the number made up of 9 and subtract this diminished number. So it is 6, this is 30. 9 4s are 36, carry 3, 27 is 30. Answer is true. So same way here, 1475, 1 decrease, 999, and then it will be 1475 to be subtracted. 9 minus 5 is 4, 7, 2, 5, 4, 7, 1, 4. Same way here, you can say 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 3 nines will be there, and that will be 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 235 is the answer. Question is whether the remaining 2 methods are different from this. I shall know. Let us see how. See what we were doing. I take one more example. 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 into 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. What we are doing? Decrease 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. This method shows 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Subtract this 3, 4, 5, 62. We were not adjusting 9. The reason is, as many digits are there, those many 9s are there. And so, in spite of putting these 9s, you can directly say 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 decrease 1. And you can subtract either this way or this way. So 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, 7. Entire method is same. Question is, how the method works? Another thing is there. Let us see. And then I shall show the extension also. 5, 4, 3, 2, 6 into 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Obviously it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 6 multiply by 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1. See now. I am putting 5 zeros, 1 before it. Nikhilesh. I subtract 1. Now algebra is there. This multiply this. And so it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Minus 5, 4, 3, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. We know 8 minus 6 is 7 minus 5 is 6 minus 4, or they are getting 2. So, whatever you subtract this one and subtract this one, difference remains same. So, I subtract 1 from here, I subtract 1 from here. So, result must be same. Obviously, you can see you are subtracting 1. So, this will be decreased by 1, this is 5. This all will be 9, because this is 10 minus 1, and this will be 5. So, what we are doing? You decrease 1 and subtract from by decrease 1. So, method is same. The method is true. So, this is the proof that you are subtracting 1. But in spite of doing all these things, only you remember that decrease this by 1, you are getting 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. This one. And now all 9s will be there. So you can say 5, 4, 9, 4, 5, 9, 3, 6, 9, 2, 7, 9, 5, 4, 9. Same answer is there. So this is the proof of the method. You should remember. So do remember, whatever methods are in Vedic mathematics has the proof. They are not as it is. They are not basic. Each has the proof and they follow definite rules of algebra. On I shall try to take one more extension. For example, you want 995 into 999. See. Instead of 9, I change it. Suppose it is 2. Then, obviously, you want to turn it to 9. So, 995, 999. I adjusted 7 more, minus 995 into 7. I increase this one by 7, so I have to subtract by 7. And so now it is very simple, 994, 0, 0, 6, no, 5. 1 decrease, 994, subtract each one from 9. Now by 7, so minus 7 5 are 35, 3, 63 and 3, 66, 6, 63 and 6, 69, 0, then it is, how much it is? 4, no? So, if you need to increase it, you can do. Another way is, see, I can change it also, no problem. I can take 998, now sorry, 9 into 992. I increase this by 4. So minus 4 into 992. Same it is. In spite of increasing this, I am increasing this. And so this will be now 991. Do remember, this is previous, not this is previous. Not to decrease here, 1. And so it is 0, 0, 8. And minus, correct? So what we are doing is, do remember, these are 99, 992, 991, and each to be subtracted from 9. So this is 0, this 0, this 8. Now here, what we are doing? 4 to the 8, 4 9s are 36, 3, 36 and 3, 39. So this is 0, this is 4. Same answer will be there. So you can increase, if they are nearby to 999, you can increase 1. Whatever as you increase, you have to decrease by, and product is there. So this is the extension of ek union पूर्वेण. So now you can understand, if you had to multiply by a number made up of 9s, ek union पूर्वेण method is applicable. That's all about this method. The last method, and that's it.